fashion entrepreneurs. The last time we were on, we did the doll challenge, the lifestyle doll challenge. I didn't win. I was like a third place winner, and they gave us like a $20 Amazon gift card, but it was something. But now that we're back, if you don't know who I am Lady V, owner of LiQWYD Dynasty Boutique, which you can find at LadyVDynasty.com, where I sell custom made outfits. I've had this page up for a while, and when I come on here, I mostly teach entrepreneurial designers, how to break into the business, and then we go over like just certain projects that I'll be working on in my studio or at home. So today, which I want to bring back because it's been quite a while, I wanted to do another Tapestry Recon. Yay! So if y'all remember, I had a pink geode tapestry that I bought for like $10 off of Amazon, and so that's the one that we're going to be working on. So let's just go ahead and hop into it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I post a video, you'll be notified. So if you're new, thank you for joining us. If you're old, it's great to see you, and let's get into the video. As y'all remember, here is my mannequin, and here is our tapestry. So my goal is to take this big piece and utilize it more than everything else on here, because I really like that gold look. If I can find my gold spray, I will probably add some sparkles and things to it. So this time, I don't really have a vision. We might go and do a sketch or two, but I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the fabric in half. I literally cut it in half so I know, okay, I'm going to have a top and a bottom. So let's do that. So it's a rainy day, and I know I'm looking dusty, but it's okay. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm getting double peplum. I'm getting 2-tier, maybe mini skirt, midi dress. So I'm still obsessed with like the puffy sleeve look, but I never have enough fabric when it comes to these tapestries to do it. Excuse the vehicle outside. Must be the garbage man. But let's try that. I'm running out of zippers, so I might have to do like a lacing or something in the back, or just a big old sash to tie it in the back. Kind of like my wrap outfits. But we'll see. Let's just get to draping. With the two pieces cut in half, like draping should help me give me more ideas. I'm tongue-tied all the time. All right, let's get to work. So my idea is to do the peasant gathered top with some ruffled pink sleeves and a double peplum. On my side, I have my sketch of what my pieces are going to look like. 2 rectangles, the corset piece, the bodice, the sleeve, and the circle flounce to go on the sleeve. It'll tie in the front and tie in the back and have elastic in the skirt. So here's our pattern piece that we pulled off the wall. It's made of cardboard, and it helps us create the front bodice as well as the back bodice all in one piece. I always cut it, give it a little slit so I can do more than one piece. So I have my double ruffle. I have my bodice where my boning's gonna go inside. I'm ready to work. Decided to speed it up because I know like this process can take quite some time. But I'm mostly doing, my main setup. I put it down on the fabric. I cut out around my templates, making sure my fabrics are doubled, because I need to make sure I have enough for the bodice, the back. I'm going to have a pink lining fabric because I need to be able to have 6 channels in order to put in the actual boning at the bottom. And I want to make sure I can gather the top piece. That's what makes it the peasant look, when it has a little bit of that gathering.
So you see my channels. You have my boning. Good to go. And my long ruffle. Pieced together. So time. Isn't she pretty? Starting to come along very nicely. All right, now we got to get some sleeves in there and make sure to line all the pieces. Let's go. So here I have my back pieces because you can't have a front without a back. I'm gonna cut out these templates and sew them together. And voila. So far we have our pink sleeves and flounces. But I'm really not feeling the pink sleeves. I think it can be so much better. Don't you? Let's change it up. Yeah, let's change it up. Yes, much better. I'm loving her. All right, yeah. All right, all my lovelies. Now we've finally got to the finalization of, we have our cuffs, we have our ribbon, we have our boning. Oh my goodness, look at her. She is ready. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go. I don't know about you guys, but I am so in love with this. It reminds me of like those old 40s and 50s musicals where like they have the ballet scene. I love the puff sleeves. I love the peasant top. I love how I added the tulle and these cuffs. It's just va boom, and I'm so excited. Yes, yes, yes. I should just go outside and strut my stuff. I love puff sleeves. This is amazing. It's a little itchy, I will say that, but like this is not the best quality tulle. So y'all excuse my home. Like I try to have it as organized as I can, but I'm in the process of moving and we're in a pretty small space. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you all in our next Tapestry Recon.